Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom grab or take the bull by the horns, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to deal with a difficult situation in a direct and courageous way. The client is beginning to get cold feet, and the potential sale could be lost. But the salesman didn't go down without a fight and took the bull by the horns and closed the sale. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The woman needs to quit procrastinating. I've been putting off all the work I need to do around the house for far too long. It's time I took the bull by the horns and got it done. It looks as though the win is out of their hands until I'll grab the bull by the horns and get us those all-important points. He thought she was way out of his league, but he gathered up the courage anyway and asked her out. I'm glad you took the bull by the horns and came over here, because I've always liked you. Here are some further examples for professional situations. Everyone in the office is unhappy at how they are being treated by their boss, but no one wants to say anything in case they lose their jobs. As one of the senior members of staff, I feel it's up to me to grab the bull by the horns and confront him about his behavior. He thought he did well in the interview, but he didn't get the promotion in the end. The manager said she was looking for someone who would have no hesitation in taking the bull by the horns if a difficult situation arose, and she felt that he was too laid back. The group are stalled while they wait for their manager's input on solving the problem. I can't wait any longer. I'll take the bull by the horns and solve it so we can get on with things. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.